Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and within this video I want to talk about the basic equipment required to film videos and then edit those videos within Final Cut Pro 10. So what all does one need to get started with Final Cut Pro 10 video editing? Now there's other software out there, I'm aware of that, but I love Final Cut Pro 10 and everything within this video will be pertaining to Final Cut Pro 10. So the first thing you're going to need is a Mac computer if you don't have one. Now, okay, do you want a desktop? Do you want a laptop? And the truth is that today, and I'm filming this video during calendar year 2024, today Apple Silicon is blazing fast. It's the new, not to get overly technical, but it's the new hardware within Apple computers, and it blazes through video edits. Everything from what's called the M1 up at the time of posting this to the M3, which is the most current iteration of Apple Silicon filming this video. Now they do have Apple M4, but the reality is even if you go back as far as M1, you're getting a very capable computer for editing 4K and even higher resolution video. So check the links within this video's description. I posted it there. If you want a desktop, you could go for the all-in-one, which is the iMac. If you also want a desktop, but maybe you've already got a mouse, keyboard, and monitor, and you want to reduce the cost a little bit, you can look at the Mac Mini. And if you want a laptop on the at the entry level point, you could go with a MacBook Air, which is plenty good. Or if you wanted to bump it up a little bit, you could go with a MacBook Pro. So that's the computer equipment you'll need, and then obviously you'll have to purchase, after you purchase that computer, the Final Cut Pro 10 software, and you can purchase that, I think, at the time, possibly at the time of purchase. If not, as soon as you buy that Apple computer, you can log into the Apple App Store and you can purchase Final Cut Pro 10. So you're going to have that. You're going to have a camera. The good thing is most smartphones today, like I've got the iPhone 15 Pro at the time of filming this, most iPhones are phenomenal. You get good audio quality out of the phone, you get good video quality. Now if you want to step it up a notch to the camera and the microphone like I'm using to film this video, you can find it linked within this video's description. This is what's called an ILC camera, interchangeable lens camera. It's a mirrorless camera. This camera goes all the way up to 8K. And then I've got an external microphone connected to it. Very affordable microphone, but I think the audio quality sounds great. So it doesn't have to cost a lot. Again, I would start with the basics. I would probably start with the MacBook Air and my existing smartphone, assuming you've already got a smartphone. And then you can always grow. You can upgrade to an interchangeable lens camera with an externally connected microphone like I'm using here. And you can bump up your production quality as budget allows. So those are the basics. I just wanted to get straight to the chase, and again, expand this video's description and then click the links there to find all the equipment that I mentioned. And if there's anything else you're looking for, just ask and I'll be happy to try to find a link. Thank you for choosing to shop my links within this video's description. It really helps to support my channel and videos like this one. And again, any questions that you may have, comment below and I'll try my best to respond in the form of an upcoming video here on youtube.com/iRickSky. So subscribe and ring that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video, and check out all of my Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial videos. Thanks for your viewership, and if there's something you'd like to see within a future video, just ask and I'll try to whip it up. Oh, and if you really like my channel and my videos, you can choose to send me a super thanks. There's that thanks button down below. Not required, but if you choose to do it, it's deeply appreciated and helps to support me and the creation of videos like this one. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Rick Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRickSky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.